what's up? It's your boy Strobe of the Forest. I've been dancing ever since a freshman in high school, and it's my Titan tutorial. What you want to do is, I start off with this tut, hand like this. I'm gonna hammer it like this. The other hand is gonna be positioned right underneath it, like this. Boom, boom. So what you're gonna want to do is ISO it down, hit that one up. Boom. Lift this hand, spirit fingers, while turning it. Boom. To the stop. You're gonna ISO it all the way around. Boom. Bring it down, thumb out. And while your thumb is out, behind your hand is gonna go like this to slide it out. Boom. Just like that, one more time. Boom. After doing that, your index finger is gonna pop down like this. And it's gonna wrap around your thumb. ISO it around like this. Bring it up. While you're doing this, the finger comes up with your thumb. Boom. And so you're gonna close your hand like this. While doing that, the other hand's gonna close at the same time. Bam. Throw it around. Thumb, slide through. Index, wrap. Tuck it in. That's where I left you guys off, right here. This is how you end part one. You ready for part two? Stay tuned.